Hello and welcome to KingTech Coding Clinic, and in this tutorial I'm going to guide you on how to install code blocks, and that is the C++ text editor which is used to write C++ program, and it comes with a compiler pre-installed, which means that whatever we write can be translated to the language the computer can understand. So let's dive right into that. I'll be leaving it in the description below so that you can just click on the link. You follow the link and download it, and then you should have the zip file like this. From there you just go ahead, right click, and then extract it. Straightforward. You allow it to do that, then you have it in the folder here. So this is how it looks like. The size of the file is just 145 megabytes. So you just double click on it and just minimize this one. Click on yes. So we wait for it whilst it's open. So you click on next, then next, next, and then you should have this. If you want to change a location where you would want it to be installed, you can go ahead and click on browse and do that changes here, but we prefer it's being installed in drive C. So you go ahead and install. So we allow it to install. So this is just the shortcut icon of it. So you just double click on this and you should have it up and running on your desktop where you can write a C++ program. So we allow it to install completely. So installing, so we allow it to install. They're asking, good, finally it's installed. Do you want to run C++ or do you want to run code blocks now? Click on yes. So you just go ahead and then allow it to be launched. We take it from there. So it's still loading. We allow it to load perfectly. Exactly. So with this interface, you just go ahead and click on new projects. And then from there, you just click on a console application, then you click on go. Good. So from there, you just click on next. So here we have, it means we can use this to write C at the same time C++ programs. Okay, but in this case, we're talking of C++, and what it means is that if you already learn C program, moving on with C++ is just going to be a walk on a park, right? So let's click on C++, then we click on next. So here you can give your project a title. So you can say and name it maybe KTCC. So you can see that it is going to be stored on my desktop. It's going to be kept on the desktop, right? So you maintain it like that and click on next. And you can leave this to default and then you click on finish. Good. So here we should have the properties panel displayed here, but since that is not the case here, you can still minimize this and locate our folder on the desktop here, and then or you can still be here. You go to file, go to open, then you locate your folder on the desktop. Well, the main name of my folder was KTCC, right? So locate it, double click to open it, choose the main.cpp, there is click on open. So here you should have everything here up and running. The function here which is going to help your program run just like any other program written in C++ is already here. So with this, to run what we already have, a click on what build and run. If you just click on this, it should have a dark screen, like a command prompt window displaying your hello world program there for. So let's try that and see here. Good. So that is a hello world program there for you. So here what it means is that whatever we write here, you can still run it. Just click on build and run. It should have it displayed. It means you have your IDE set up and you can write your C++ program however you want it. So let's just try editing this and see. So you can say welcome to KingTech coding clinic. Okay, so perfect. So from there you can just click on build and run. So we should have that display. Welcome to KingTech coding clinic. So that is how we install code blocks to have the C++ IDE up and running on our desktop, on our PC, with a compiler with it. So with this you can write a C++ program, run it in how you want. So I say thank you very much for watching. In our next lesson we're going to start writing some few lines of codes and then see how it's going to work. It's going to be full of fun. So thank you very much for watching and bye for now.